Hello, everyone. Nasir Qureshi, Realtor Daddy with Texas Signature Realty in Houston. Once again, deal of the day time. So I'm bringing you a very, very good deal, fix and flip deal. So here we go. All my fix and flippers, investors, please pay attention. This is off-market deal, address 1315 Warwickshire Drive, Houston, Texas 77077. This Realtor.com shows estimated value about $551,000. And let's see, what we are asking is $430,000. And let's look at some pictures. There you go. Definitely a good fix and flip. Some areas of the house need some work, of course. Some areas not much. See some spots here. You're going to see some few holes in the ceiling and in the garage. A lot of potential. Look at this bathroom. Look at this tub. A lot of potential. Big restrooms, cabinets, big area. So there you go. In the dining area. Garage needs work. Not much. So you got an idea. So let's look at this. 4 bedroom, 2.5 baths, living space, almost 3,000 square feet. Big house. Lot is 9,060 square feet. Big, big, big lot. Built 1975. So fix and flip, investor specials. Call me on the number that you see on the screen above, 281-857-2000. If you want to buy this fix and flip, it will not last long. The true investors always looking for hunting a deal. They do not care it's holiday or it's night or day or it's doesn't matter what time it is. First come, first serve. If you have a great real estate deal instead of Texas, and you would like us to consider to mention that on Deal of the Day segment of Unimix TV on Roku and Fire and TV and YouTube, please contact me. Also contact me for any residential and commercial real estate, whether you're buying, selling, leasing, investing in a building. Nasir Qureshi, Realtor Daddy. And of course, time is money, but real estate is both. So let's not waste our time and money and take action. See you at the top. Bye bye.